Hello everyone, today I will show you how to lock your folder without any programs. First you're gonna do your must to create new text document. Then you'll go the link in the description and copy that. Then you open the text document, select paste. Here you type your password. And then click file, save as, name, bat. Then you appear the something like this. Open that and you're gonna show something like this. This is your folder, and you can move stuff. Then you go to file and type epsilon and folder will disappear. You folder back, you click on this, enter password. In our case this is how, and folder is here. That is all. This folder you must to keep in safe. That's all.